At Champagne Pools, we understand that buying a swimming pool is a big decision for any family. After the purchase of your home, a pool is the second biggest investment that you'll ever make. And unlike a vehicle that you may trade in 8 or 10 times over your life, your pool will be around for as long as you own your home. Regardless of whether or not you buy a pool from Champagne Pools, we want to make sure your buying process is a great experience. We know the last thing you need is a pushy salesperson trying to talk you into something that you may not be ready to buy. That's why we've developed this DVD to help you get the answers you need about swimming pools. This DVD will show you what you can expect as you move forward to design and build your dream backyard. Think of this DVD as a no-pressure buying guide. Before we get started, let me clarify one thing. Champagne Pools specializes in custom concrete pools. You may also hear us refer to these pools as gunite or shotcrete. It's all the same thing, a concrete pool that is built using a special gunite or shotcrete machine. Concrete has an absolutely unlimited number of options. It is completely customizable. Now, if you're thinking about a swimming pool for your backyard, the first thing to do is decide what style of pool you're interested in. Are you looking for a formal, traditional, or elegant style swimming pool like a Grecian or Roman pool? Or are you looking for something with more of a natural look and perhaps a freeform shape? Do you want to swim laps? Or is this something for the kids to play in? Or maybe you're looking for a combination of several of these. Well, the good news is that a custom concrete pool will give you the freedom to design exactly what you want. A great way to get started on this process is to collect photos of pools you like from newspapers, magazines, and brochures that you see. You can also check out the internet. We have hundreds of photos on our website, and feel free to look at our competitors' websites as well. We don't mind, because there's not a pool out there that we can't build. One thing that may surprise you is the wide variety of features and options that you can add to your new swimming pool. For example, have you seen the beach entry? Or how about a tanning ledge? You can get a swim-up bar or a built-in table with underwater chairs. Waterfalls are very popular, as are grottos, rain ledges, fountains, and water arches. Another popular item is fiber optic lighting. Now you can change the color of your pool at a moment's notice, or better yet, set it up to change automatically. An especially delightful feature is to build the fiber optics into the water arches so they become part of the ever-changing light show. You can even put those water arches on a special programmable pump that will shoot little segments of water across your pool in a lively little water dance. There are a lot of other features for you to consider too. In the last 3 to 5 years, a lot of new technologies have made pool maintenance 100 times easier than it used to be. For example, we now have in-floor cleaning. These little spray nozzles are hidden in the floor of your pool, and once a day they pop up and automatically clean the floor of your pool. Remember the old days of brushing and vacuuming your pool? Well, not anymore. Coincidentally, these in-floor cleaning systems actually do a better and more efficient job of circulating the water, which means you wind up using less chemicals. So now you can sit back and relax in your lounger while your neighbor brushes and vacuums his pool and uses more chemicals. How's that for a bonus? Speaking of chemicals, there have been some amazing new breakthroughs in water chemistry. You may have heard of saltwater systems that generate chlorine automatically from the salt in the water. Well, now there are even newer technologies that minimize or even eliminate the use of chlorine altogether. For example, ozonators are popular to help keep the water crystal clear using pure oxygen, and mineral systems help keep the water balanced and stable. So now you can go away for weeks at a time and not worry about your pool staying clean. Today's swimming pools really are easier than ever to maintain. As you can see, the possibilities are near endless. So let's move on to step 2. It's time to get some expert advice. We have a team of 7 design experts that will be happy to help you right over the phone. Or, if you like, we can arrange a meeting in your backyard where you can tell us what you're looking for and we can share some ideas with you. If you like the ideas from our designers, you can request a preliminary design. We use a very sophisticated design system called Pool Studio to design our pools. This program gives us tremendous flexibility to change, resize, and reshape the pool until it's just the way you want it. We can add features or take them away. We can change the elevation or move it closer or further away from your house. Best of all, this tool allows you to see exactly what the pool is going to look like in your backyard long before we ever take a shovel to the dirt. If you like the preliminary design our experts put together for you, then it's time to look at the finishing touches. This includes picking your choice of tile, the coping material, the style of deck you want, and more. These finishing touches are what make your new pool just right for you. If you love the pool design and you decide it's time to go forward with the project, here's what happens next. First, we'll schedule a pre-site meeting to finalize the layout of your pool on the ground. Our construction supervisor will determine how to get the equipment in and out with the least amount of disturbance. We will also put together a timeline that shows when your pool is going to be finished. In fact, we are so confident in our ability to complete your pool on time that we guarantee it. Of course, we can't control the weather, but outside of that, we'll finish your pool on time or we'll give you a credit of $500 towards your final payment. As mentioned earlier, Champagne Pools and Spas has been in business since 1978. In our 30-plus years of business, we've built more than 4,000 pools and made more than 4,000 homeowners very happy. We would love the opportunity to help you fall in love with your backyard too.